Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting DIY video. Today, you're about to discover something unique that many people don't know about. Imagine this. Using alcohol and instant coffee powder, we can make a fantastic eco-friendly wood stain and varnish. This simple mixture gives any piece of wood a rich, distinctive color and a beautiful finish. It's easy to make and interesting, isn't it? First, we need instant coffee, like Nescafe, and rubbing alcohol. Use a glass or plastic container, whatever you have on hand. Pour the coffee powder into the container, then add the liquid alcohol. Mix the solution well until the coffee is completely dissolved. Commercial varnishes are usually full of expensive chemicals. We're replacing them with something more natural. Coffee. It gives wood a warm, natural, and elegant look. The alcohol acts as a solvent and a fast-drying agent, ensuring the wood absorbs the liquid quickly without leaving any sticky residue. Next, add a small amount of white wood glue, PVA. The amount of glue you add allows you to control the intensity and richness of the stain color. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth, homogeneous varnish mixture. If you notice the liquid turning a deep, rich brown, it's ready. The beauty of this solution lies in its flexibility. You can adjust the color intensity to suit your needs. For light woods like pine, use less coffee for a more natural result. If your wood is darker, like teak, add more coffee to enhance the natural color. But before applying it, let it sit for a few minutes. Why? To allow the undissolved coffee grounds to fully mix with the alcohol and glue. This ensures a smoother, more even application. Try this low-cost trick today and transform your old furniture into a luxurious piece. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY secrets. The colors are natural and authentic, perfect for antique furniture or rustic projects. Secondly, it dries quickly thanks to the alcohol, so the results are immediate without waiting. Once the alcohol-based paint and coffee grounds are ready, we move on to the application step. This step is very important because the correct application method will determine the final result. You can use a soft bristled brush, a soft cloth, or a small sponge. Choose the tool that suits the size of the wood you want to paint. For example, for large pieces of wood like tables, a wide brush will be more effective. But for small details like picture frames, a soft cloth is recommended. If you want a more natural result, simply apply one thin coat. But if you want a deeper color, wait for the first coat to dry first, usually about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, apply the second coat. The color appears instantly, giving a warm and elegant brown effect. After a few minutes, the results become more apparent. You can see for yourself that the wooden surface looks more vibrant with authentic, natural colors. The results are truly amazing, aren't they? And this is all from simple ingredients like alcohol and instant coffee. Imagine if you applied it to your furniture, tables, chairs, or even your favorite wall hangings. The wood not only looks beautiful, but is also protected. Simple, inexpensive, yet impressive results. In addition, the process is so simple that anyone can try it at home, even those attempting such crafts for the first time. And what's even more exciting is that this liquid varnish If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, share, and follow so you don't miss other creative ideas I'll be sharing with you on my channel. And if you succeed in making this liquid varnish, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So don't forget to share your results in the comments section. I'm waiting for exciting stories from you, especially if you have any additional tips or tricks. Thank you for watching and interacting. I wish you a blessed time.